Our company works hard to provide top quality service to everyone. And it's always exciting when we receive a great positive review like this one. Take a look and see what others are saying about their experience with us. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. We work hard to ensure everyone is happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're happy to help you anytime.